Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. I've got an unboxing, and I know that's a really big surprise, but I am doing a little catch up because I got a few boxes in that I've been waiting on, so keep an eye out for a few more unboxings coming over the next week or so. In addition to that, another mystery box that I picked up actually from Too Faced. So I'm really excited about that one. And I also have one of my men's subscriptions I'm going to be unboxing for y'all in the next day or two that I get for my son. And it's another awesome month. But today, I have got my Eyescream Beauty Box subscription. And this I started a few months ago. I've been absolutely loving this subscription. It's only $24 a month, and it is monthly. But y'all, they also have their Eyescream Beauty bag. And that one is only $12.50 a month. I know. But today is the Eyescream Beauty Box. And this is what it looks like when you get it. So, I mean, the packaging is nice, but y'all, the second you open it up, they just, I think around St. Patrick's Day when I unboxed this, if you want to go back and check out that other unboxing, they had little styrofoam pieces in the shape of green shamrocks. It was so cute. And it just makes me smile getting this subscription because just the packaging alone, look. I know. It's just so cheery. I just think it's adorable. Adorable. And you get in this box specifically, you get 5 to 7 beauty items. So I'm pretty sure it's like all a mix of skincare, makeup, and tools. In addition to that, you get a palette in every box for the beauty box. So again, I love that about this subscription. And for $24, sorry, you kind of can't go wrong. It's always a really good value. But in addition to the adorable little styrofoam thingies we got, you do get usually a little card that gives you an itemization of each of the items you're getting in your box. And yep, those prices. So we will go through everything and see what the April 2021 Eyescream Beauty Box is got in store. And I do also get the beauty bag, so it just has not arrived yet. So bear with me. That'll be coming soon. Let's get ready to do it. And of course, I've got to move all these styrofoam things around. Now, I will say, they do, in addition to like the little styrofoam things, they do really good at packaging. So everything is protected. And I think in one of my very first boxes I got from them, one of my items did come broken. However, I notified them, sent them a picture, and it was immediately replaced. So again, customer service has been outstanding. Okay, so the first thing is this. And it says by Molly Jacob, All Eyes on Me brush set. Okay. I haven't heard of that brand. So I'm assuming because it's smaller, it's all eye brushes. Yeah, it does. It looks like eye brushes. Okay. So that's what they all look like, and then you can see the little names on there. Let's see how these babies feel. Okay. kind of just broke. I mean, I can re-glue this very easily, but it literally, like, okay, no, now that I pushed it back on, it looks like it's staying. I don't know, sorry. They're really soft and dense, so like this one here for a crease or shader brush, it would work really, really good. Whoops. I feel so bad. Yeah, the other ones don't seem to be pulling off, so it's okay. It's okay. Now, this Molly Jacobs brush set retails for $24. So for a 4-piece brush set, that's not bad. Not bad. I will be keeping these. Yeah, I'll just use them because I don't want to send you guys something that might break or kind of already broke. Anyway, okay, next. We got this from South Maine. And this is a lip treatment. So, it's in the scent, or I would assume scent or flavor, coconut. So that's really cool. I do enjoy getting stuff like this, especially like lip balms. You know, the South and Maine lip treatment retails for $11. So that's a little pricey for a like lip balm thing. Next is by INT Cosmetics. We actually got 3 little things. 1, 2, and 3. So there's these 3 little eggs. I've gotten a few products from this brand before, and I think I got their mascara, and I kind of really wasn't a fan, but, you know, I'm definitely gonna give these a whirl, see how I like them. They retail for $27, and it's a face set. Okay, so the packaging says these are highlighter eggs. So, you know, the pink, the whitish color, and then the gold. So I think they're adorable. Super cute. And the set of 3, like I said, is $27. That's what it retails for. The next thing we've got is this big baby. And this is, okay, Wonder Gloss Face Apparatus. Okay. What's a face apparatus? I've heard of an apparatus, but not an apparatus. Okay, so down here it says Rose at the bottom. It retails for $40, so this is not a cheap product. Okay, I'm going to read you what it says on the packaging of what an apparatus is. Invigorate your skin with a spritz of a sunny day. Power packed with natural florals and super H2O ingredients. Mist face apparatus on your skin after cleansing to add hydration. Okay, spritz over your foundation for like a dewy finish, or just anytime for a pick-me-up. So, I don't know. I mean, I love like face sprays, but I've never heard of this one. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. Look. Let's give her a try. Let's see how dewy it makes me. And I know that some people are kind of sensitive to floral scents or rose. Like this one says it's rose. I really like rose scents, so I don't know. It's not spraying. The pumper's not even going down. Do I have to turn it? It's gonna... Ah! Ooh! Okay, I got it. Okay, this pumper's really bad. Yeah, it's clearly kind of a struggle to get this out. The rose scent is beautiful. It's not very strong. I like it. I think I'm going to have to practice a little bit on using this sprayer. Do I look dewy? I don't know. Okay, last but not least is the palette that we get for the April box. And this is by Amore Us. 15 shade eyeshadow palette. Stay fabulous. Okay, so this retails for $10. So it's definitely not an expensive palette, which is fine. Affordability is wonderful. I love getting introduced to products that I like that are actually affordable. So the inside packaging looks like the outer box, and it's just cardboard. It does come with a nice, cute little mirror. And look at these colors, y'all. I actually really, really like this. Y'all know me. I am such a neutral addict. I feel like it's really pretty, rosy, warm neutrals. I do actually really like this. Oh my gosh. I think it's beautiful. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, look at that shimmer. Let's see how she goes on. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, let's try a matte. The pans are kind of, here's one of the mattes. The pans are kind of sunk in, so it's kind of hard for me to get my fingers in here. Because it's hard to get, the pans are, I don't know. Okay, I mean, they're not as pigmented as I'd like, but there again, I kind of feel like sometimes palettes, oh, that's really pretty. Sometimes palettes don't swatch as well as they perform, so I'm fine. I will definitely try this. Really happy with the colors and the color story. So hopefully she'll perform good. So, okay. That is our April 2021 Eyescream Beauty Box. $24 box. And what's the total value of this month's products? $136. Now, I'm not going to say we didn't have a couple hiccups along the way with this box. I definitely, like, with that rose spray, if I do have an issue with the sprayer, I have enough other, I do save some of my other empty spray bottles for instances like this. Yes, I may transfer that rose spray into a new bottle, and maybe that'll work better. But it did smell beautiful, and I'm definitely excited to give the palette and everything a try. What do you guys think? I'm really liking this subscription. I can't wait to get my Eyescream Beauty bag this month and see what goodies we got in there for a $12.50 bag. So that's that unboxing. As I said before, stay tuned for more. If this is something that you're interested in, all of the information is down in my description box. And before you go, if you wouldn't mind, help me out and smash that subscribe button. I do try to upload something daily, or at least 5-6 days a week, depending on the chaos in my life. But if you'd like all things beauty, skincare, mature beauty, unboxings, spoilers, and of course, giveaways, come back again, hang out with me in the future. Thanks again for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate you stopping by. Love you guys bunches, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.